Hello and welcome back to the Food Truck Guide channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very underutilized and under the radar marketing strategy that you can use in your food truck business in order to increase your audience reach and get more eyes on your food truck, and then hopefully more people in the queue, turning those visitors into customers. This marketing strategy doesn't get a lot of discussion within the food truck industry, but if used correctly, can really increase your reach. The name of this marketing strategy is influencer marketing. And when we first mentioned this to our clients, we got a lot of people rolling their eyes, thinking that they've got to deal with somebody who is overhyped and charging excessive amounts of money for a post. But actually, that's not the kind of person we're targeting. What we want to do is we want to find a local influencer. That's somebody who lives or works or content is based around the same area in which your food truck is based. Now, this person might only have a few thousand people following them, but what we want is we want to focus on location. What's going to happen is we're going to reach out to these people and discuss a partnership. You're going to ask this person to come down to your food truck and promote it. Now, you're probably going to have to pay a fee or offer something else in exchange in order to get the influencer on board. But what will happen in return is they're going to be able to post something about your food truck on their page. They could include some video, which would be ideal. If not, some photographs along with some caption, and definitely links out to your business so people can easily find either your social media or come directly to your website. But in doing this, you're very easily getting your business in front of hundreds, if not thousands, of potential new customers for a very affordable fee. It would be a one-time payment, although you could discuss repeat business if things are successful. And you're not having to worry about learning complicated platforms like trying to run Facebook ads, for example, or Instagram ads. Not only that, but you can actually offer to do some of the filming or create some of the creative for them in order to help reduce costs or get the influencer on board if they are busy and don't necessarily have time to come down to where you are, or you want it done sooner rather than later. I would definitely recommend this to new and existing food truck businesses as a marketing strategy to explore over the rest of 2022, especially with the summer months coming up and more people being outside and wanting to eat outside and wanting to socialize outside. If you want any more help with marketing your business, consider joining our absolutely free online community just for food truck business owners. All you need to do is scroll down under this video and click on that first link. And in doing so, you'll be taken straight over to our community. You just create an account. It's free to join, and you can access our marketing team on there and have a discussion with them. But you can also talk to other business owners who work solely in the food truck industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.